So, you want to set up a multi-link QR code in Unicode, but you're not sure how it works or if it's even the best option for your needs. Stick around, because I'll walk you through the process step by step, plus I'll share a few things Unicode doesn't tell you, and by the end, I'll show you a better alternative that offers more flexibility and an extended free trial. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into Unicode and head to the dashboard. Click Create QR Code and select Multi-URL. This is where you can add multiple links and decide how they're triggered, either by user location, device type, or time-based redirection. If you just need a simple landing page with multiple links, this setup might feel more restrictive than you expect. Next, you'll enter the URLs you want to include. One downside? Unicode doesn't offer a fully customizable landing page for multi-link QR codes. Instead, it forces you to use redirection rules, which might not be ideal if you just want a single QR code leading to a page with multiple clickable options. Another thing to keep in mind is branding. While Unicode lets you customize QR code colors and add a logo, the free version limits design flexibility. If you want a truly branded experience, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, which might not be worth it if you just need a simple multi-linked QR solution. Now, let's talk tracking. Unicode does offer analytics, but it's pretty basic, mainly tracking scans by location and device type. If you need deeper insights, like user behavior on your landing page, you'll have to integrate with third-party tools, which can get complicated. So, should you use Unicode for multi-link QR codes? If you just need basic redirection, it does the job. But if you're looking for a simple way to create a branded landing page with multiple links, without unnecessary restrictions, there are better options. That's why I've added an exclusive and AMP, extended free trial to a software that does this better. Plus, I've included a few alternatives that offer more customization and flexibility, especially if your goal is to optimize engagement and conversions. Click the first link in the description to check them out.